Pig. This is my little brother. This is Mummy. And this is Daddy. Peppa.
Peppa and her family are visiting Granny Pig and Grandpa Pig.
Hello, my little ones. Come inside. We have a surprise.
What is it?
We have a new pet. Can you guess what it is?
Dancing! No, it's not. Dancing! Come and see.
Granny Pig and Grandpa Pig have a pet parrot.
Peppa, George, this is our pet parrot. She's called Polly.
Why did you choose such a simple name for me when you could have gone with Batman?
Pretty Polly.
You're as ugly as raw bacon.
I am a clever parrot.
You're a stupid, stinky animal.
Mummy?
You better say something to Polly or else.
I'll show you. Hello, Polly.
Hello, stupid.
What a sweet little parrot.
Come on, everyone. Tea time. Peppa, George, come on. There's chocolate cake.
Coming, Granny.
Peppa and George love eating chocolate cake, but today they are in...
Stupid!
Finished.
What noisy little ones yell.
Granny, please can we leave the table and go and see Polly Parrot?
Nope.
Are you sure you've completely finished your cake?
Well, duh.
Hooray!
Bruh.
George, say something to Polly.
George is a little bit shy.
Hello?
Shut up.
I'm Peppa Pig. I'm Peppa Pig. George, say something. 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 I'm Polly Parrot.
You wish.
Peppa is thinking of something else to say to Polly Parrot.
I'm a noisy parrot.
Cheat code activated.
Oh my God!
That bird has some 6 skills.